Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix the app crashes on the Motorola Moto G42. So, the issue is very common. At first we have to just reboot our phone, and to do so we have to hold the power button, which is located over here, and tap restart button here. It should fix our problem. There might be some issues with your phone directly.
Hello, Moto.
Now our phone is turned on and we can now check if our app crashes. Apart from that, we can update the applications. So to do so, at first we can go straight to the Google Play Store. Let's unlock our phone. Sometimes we just have to update our applications because they might be problematic itself. Let's enter Play Store, and here let's enter here the search bar. Here we have to search for our application. For example, for me it might be Moto for Motorola Mobility. And here, if you see, in every application you have on your phone, for example Facebook, TikTok, Threads, Instagram, Snapchat, etc. Here, if you have the update button, tap and update your application. It doesn't have to be completely new UI or some freaky update. It can be just the quick patch of the bugs that may be crashing your application. Apart from that, we can update the applications which are the system ones, and it can fix the issue. So at first, let's go back and tap on our profile picture here in the top right corner. Here now we can click the manage apps and device here, and here tap update available. As you can see, if we have here update for our YouTube, we can update here. But if you have here Android System WebView or Google Chrome, you have to update these two applications. Of course, you can have only one, for example only Google Chrome or only System WebView, Android System WebView. Update either each application. Apart from that, you can clean the cache of the application. So if you, for example, have some application problematic, and this is only one application on your phone, at first you need to go into the system settings, which are over here. Where is it? Settings, system settings, here. We have to enter settings, and now we have to go straight into the here applications section, which is here, and now tap see all 72 apps. Here select your own application, which for example our is Block Blast. Tap on storage and cache, and here tap clear cache. As you can see, for me now the cache is cleared, so I don't have to clean anything. But if you have here some data and here data, tap clear cache here. It should fix your problem. If clear cache didn't work, you can tap clear storage, but it will delete your account data and you'll have to log in back to your account. It doesn't delete your account, don't worry, only that you are logged into your account is deleted. Apart from that, here now we can go here and tap on install button and just reinstall the app. It should work for us. Then we can go back to the Android Play Store and install the application back again. Sometimes a simple reinstall should work and fix the simplest issues. Apart from that, we can go back to the main menu System Settings here, and here now we can search for the storage option in our phone, which is here. If you have insufficient storage, for example, you do have somehow maximum for example, you have 127 gigabytes full and you have only 1 gigabyte left, you have to uninstall something or delete some photos or documents or music files, etc. You have to just clean your storage, because maybe it leads to crashing the applications. Here I don't really recommend to have the storage manager turned on. Just uninstall some applications or photos. It's always best to have something around 80% of the search full and then clean it, or maybe 90%, but don't go over these 90%, 80% limit. Of course, it's only there is no safety reasons about that. It's just about not crashing applications, etc. And the final mode, which I can show you, is to enter the safe mode on our phone. What it does is automatically opens your phone, boots up your phone without the third-party applications, and it can show you if your applications, for example some applications, work without the third-party applications. If your system does work with within the safe mode, you have to uninstall some third-party applications. To enter the safe mode, at first we have to open this menu over here with holding the power button, and now we have to hold the finger on the power off. Here, as you can see, we do have reboot to safe mode. Do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. Let's tap OK, and now our system will be rebooted. As you can see, it may take some time, but don't worry, everything should be fine. I'll make you a castle, you don't have to wait. So, here we are now actually in the safe mode, as you can see, and now we can unlock our phone. and check if our not third-party apps are working correctly. If they are, that's nice. If they aren't, actually we have to then do a factory stop our phone. This is the very final step. Wait a moment. This is the very final step of our tutorial, because the factory reset can fix anything actually if you have some issues. Personally, you can try alerting your phone, because Motorola could release a quick patch for your phone, but I don't think so actually. So now to exit the safe mode, we have to hold the power button and stop restart here. Now, of course, we have to do a hard reset, which is the factory reset option. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video. If you have some questions or you have some drawbacks to my video, please tell them in the comments below or something like that. It's really helpful and motivational, and I can fix the videos I make for you. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.